and today we're going to be talking about the basic HTML tags. So the first one is HTML, and then inside of the HTML write head, and under the head it writes the body. So each like tag has an opening and a closing tag. The opening tag is this one that doesn't have a slash, and the closing tag is this one which has a slash. And you cannot use backward slashes. This is what happens. Just does this. So use forward slashes. So anyways, the HTML, it defines the start and end of the HTML document. The head. Well, you put some things there that you don't want to put in the body. Like something you can do in the head is the title. Then write my web page. I wrote my web page. So anyways, in the body, there's things that actually show in our documents, like H1 to H6. H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Good. So before we run our document, there's one thing. Doc type HTML. Well, the doc type HTML doesn't have a closing tag. So the doc type HTML, it defines the start and it tells the browsers that there's a HTML document. So if I open it, you can see that there are a bunch of headings, H1 to H6. The next tag is P. We're doing about this in the first lesson, but whatever. P. This is a paragraph. So it's a paragraph. So the last tags are the OL. This is a list. And ULs. I'm gonna paste these and make an unordered lists. And inside of the OLs or ULs, you put LIs. I mean, so we've already learned how to change the spelling in the last videos. So anyways, that's the end. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So bye.